How to fix iOSGods unable to verify iPhone error. Hello there! I'm gonna teach you how to fix iOSGods unable to verify iPhone error in today's tutorial. A lot of people ask, why do I get a pop-up saying unable to verify app? This usually means that the certificate which was used to install the app has been revoked by Apple. Unfortunately, revoking apps is up to Apple, and we can't do much to prevent revocation right now. To fix this, visit the iOSGods app or official hack topic on iOSGods and re-download the modded app once it has been signed with a new certificate. Alternatively, please use Sideloadly, Troll Store, or iOSGods app to install your favorite apps.